Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ranger battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. This prevents accidental starts and ensures stability. Identifying the negative terminal first is crucial for a safe disconnection process, minimizing electrical risks. Now let's disconnect the cables. Grab your wrench and carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Once it's loose, gently remove the negative cable and tuck it away from the battery to prevent any accidental contact. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are completely free and clear. With the cables disconnected, it's time to address the battery hold down. Ford Rangers typically use a clamp or strap to secure the battery in place. Locate this mechanism and use the correct tool, often a socket wrench, to loosen and remove it. Once the hold down is completely off, double-check that the battery is free and can be lifted without obstruction. Finally, carefully lift the battery out of its tray. Batteries can be heavy, often weighing between 30 and 50 pounds, so use a battery lifting strap if you have one, or lift with two hands, bending with your knees. Once removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray thoroughly. This prepares the area for a new battery, ensuring a clean and secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.